Exploring ExtraFax for Domino. Inbound routing document overview. Use inbound routing to automatically determine how incoming faxes should be redirected. When migrating from a competing fax solution, make the conversion more easily by using the integrated import utility to create inbound routing documents based on equivalent configurations from Esker or WriteFax. When transitioning from ExtraFax for Domino to ExtraFax for Exchange, use the convenient export feature to migrate inbound routing documents over to ExtraFax for Exchange seamlessly. When creating an inbound routing document, you must first decide based on which criteria that the fax will be routed. Inbound routing criteria options include routing based on barcode, QR code, DID, port, caller ID, CSID, or from the Domino directory, a person document field, such as fax number. In this example, we will route the fax based on DID, or direct inward dial number. In the code field, specify the DID code. The length of the DID code may vary according to the telephony environment. After a fax has been routed to the intended recipient, it is possible either to keep a copy of the fax in the ExtraFax database or delete it. Post-routing actions include 1. None, which keeps the entire fax. 2. Delete message body. It deletes the fax content but keeps the fax log. 3. Delete entire log, which deletes the fax content as well as the fax log. Note that this setting can also be configured in the server configuration document. If the field is left blank in the inbound routing document, the preference in the server configuration document will take effect if configured. An optional configuration, and for reference purposes only, identify the contact details for the person that their inbound routing document has been designated for. On the Fax tab, identify the preferred file format that should be used when routing the fax. Options include TIFF, PDF, Searchable PDF, PDFA, or Searchable PDFA. Selecting Searchable PDF formats requires that Adobe Acrobat or ABBY Recognition Server be installed on the ExtraFax server. On the Fax tab, identify the email recipients to whom the inbound fax should be routed. A fax can be routed via email to a single recipient, multiple recipients, groups, or mail-in databases. For security and compliance, routed faxes can also be electronically signed and encrypted if needed. If desired, an incoming fax can also be automatically printed. Simply specify the print queue name as seen in the example below. Furthermore, an incoming fax can also be automatically redirected to a file system. This is ideal if perhaps a document management system is in use and there is a need to import the faxes. In ExtraFax, there's also an option where an incoming fax can also be automatically copied to a Notes application database, after which it is possible to trigger an agent to execute in the destination database. Using ExtraFax API, it is also possible to route incoming faxes to a non-Notes application. Using the SMS text messaging feature of ExtraFax, if enabled, it is possible to notify someone via SMS text message that a fax has been routed. We hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. To learn more about our products, please visit our website for more product information and additional tutorials. Visit us at www.extracomm.com.